Hello, I am the Programming Dunce, and I am using this channel to demonstrate coding and programming. First, about me. I am getting a BA in biology, but I minored in computer science and am about to pursue a master's degree in computer science. I intend to provide subtitles, chiefly because there's no getting around it. I have a weird accent. I might forget at some point, but hopefully I don't. My favorite language is C++. Odds are most of my videos will center around C++. But I also know C#, C, and I was taught Java in college. I've also been exposed to Python, JavaScript, and even a little PHP. Any computer program has two major components, data and code. Yes, there is a dot stack, but unless you're using assembly language, you're probably not going to be touching that. You may encounter stacks in other languages, but those stacks fall into .data somewhere. Data can be seen in the form of variables. Variables can be classified in two ways, simplicity and allocation. In simplicity, you can have variables such as integers or characters, or more complex variables such as arrays, strings, classes. I'll give you a few seconds to look at each definition. In allocation, it is how memory is used. With static memory, all of your variables are there, ready for use within reason. Dynamic memory means that your program can use more or less memory depending on how your program is. Code, on the other hand, can come in the form of either functions, methods, procedures. It's what your program does. I'll let you read these definitions for a few seconds. Let's turn now to some actual programs. On the left, we have a console application. You can't really draw stuff with it, just print text, but it is easier to set up and go over basic coding concepts. On the other side, we have a Windows application, the type we can actually draw on. You obviously can do more with it, but it is also more complex. It will be a bit of time before I do any drawing on my channel. I'm also bringing up an IDE right now. This is Dev C++. Very lightweight, from bloodshed, although support for it is kind of lacking right now, so use it at your own risk. In later videos, I'll likely be using Visual Studio, which supports C++ and C#, as well as lesser-known languages such as Visual Basic and F#. Current versions might also support Python, although I'll have to look into that. In some languages, such as Python, you could type a function and that function can be used without any tweaking.
In a language like C++, you have to declare the use of external code to get much done. Here we have include iostream. This enables us to print things into the console. Next, we have an integer, x, which is declared, but at the start there is no known value to it. To my knowledge, C# and Java would have it start out as 0. C and C++, it just starts out as anything. Next, we declare, but not implement, a function called print. We implement this function later, down here actually. After that, we have main. This is where your program begins. Most programs have some form of main somewhere. We implement a simple main here. Our program simply makes x mean something. It assigns a value and then calls our function. Finally, our final line keeps our console in view until we press enter. In our function, we print whatever our x becomes. std count cout prints to the console anything we feed it. However, the function is structured differently through a mechanism called operator overloading. I'll discuss this in a later video, as that is an advanced topic. A quick shout out to XSplit Broadcast for the latter part of this video where I got the desktop included, and MS Paint for the first part of this video, and Windows Movie Maker was used to string it all together. In my next video, I discuss basic variables and basic math. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join me in my future videos.